hopefully the AMD drivers work now. So I'm going to go to my file over here, desktop, Blender, animations, the lipstick, and see what frame I ended up. So 77. So I'm going to go here to output properties and change this to 78. So the frame starts at 78 and then it just finishes off. It should go to the same folder. I'm going to do Control S. Again, make sure in render properties that the device is set to GPU compute, render animation, and I believe it should work now. Alright, at this point, I have all of the frames now in this folder, and so what I'll do is I'll go back to Blender, I'll exit out of that, scroll up all the way up, and then I'll just scroll down until I see the little add icon and go to video editing, click on video editing. I'm going to scroll this little tick thing to the beginning. I'm going to click add image sequence, and then I'm going to go to where I had those frames, and I'll select the first one, scroll all the way down, and then shift select the last one so that it selects everything in between, add image strip, and then it should add those images as a strip. And then at this point, I go to output properties and I change, well, I'm going to change this back to 1 because I wanted to start from the beginning. And then I'll change the outputs folder, and I'll just create a folder called video inside here and select that folder so that the video outputs into that folder. And it's going to output as an FFmpeg video as a file format. If I go to encoding, I want to change the container to be MPEG4, and then the output quality to be high quality, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm going to do Control S, scroll all the way back up, render animation, whoops, not that, render animation, and then I should see that video in this folder in a few seconds, and this is the final output. Again, the lighting could have been better. For next time, I won't rotate the lighting. But yeah, this was the final output. Bye.